All right, so we've got the install that we're going to do. This is the front cylinder guard. And so we have our main piece. We have our secondary piece, if you will. The main piece is going to utilize, these are fine thread bolts. They're a little bit shorter, as you can see here. And that's what we're going to use on this main piece to get started. So let's go ahead and throw that on. So real simply, what we're going to do is we're going to kind of hook it around the front, let it drop down in the back. And we're going to be utilizing some holes that already exist on the unit. And you do not want to tighten these down just yet. You want to have some play in the plate. Let me get that started at least. There we go. Okay. Next, we're going to use our longer bolts. Our secondary plate, it does have a nut welded on the back side. And this is going to go up under the unit. And then I'm going to feed this bolt through this plate, through the unit, and then into that nut there at the back. All right, so I got that started. Now over here, I'm going to do the same thing. Let me grab my 17. Is this 7? 19. Okay. Okay. And then now I need to come back with the box end. This is going to take just a minute, but I've actually got to get right down in here. We have a little opening here in the back, or if you can get from the side, you might have a little bit more space in here to tighten that guy down. Yeah, all right. We'll do the other side. All right. So we're all tightened down on there, and that's going to protect that cylinder guard. Pretty neat, pretty quick, easy install. Gives you lots of protection, and these will clear, so you don't have to have any concern with that. You just want to make sure really that it's centered, but honestly the part itself kind of self-centers. So